this is real money. This, which I could go shopping with, is real fiat money. Let's see, what is, oh, Federal Reserve note. Oh yeah, a note is a debt instrument, but this note doesn't pay any interest. So you borrowed it from the Federal Reserve, and the inflation that we're looking at is your fee for owning this note. Gold investors don't care about the stock market's taper tantrum. The only reason why I care is because I care for you. That's the only reason why I give a crap about what's happening in the stock markets and the bond markets, what Wall Street is saying, what the IMF is saying, what the feds are saying, because my job is to educate you so that you can make choices that support your best interest first. Gold holds its value like it has for 6,000 years. I don't care what happens in the market because I don't have any money in there. I don't own a stock. I don't own a bond. I don't own a crypto. I don't own any of that stuff. That has not always been true in the past. Well, I haven't owned cryptos, but that has not been true in the past. And in the future, I'm anticipating that that won't be true in the future. But let this stuff wash out. Fly to safety. Safety. Safety first. Safety first. I don't care what happens with spot gold. I do care what happens to the fiat money. That's why gold always goes up during hyperinflation, because it holds your purchasing power. So if you are in the stock market, some people have no choice, or some people are living on hopium and they want to believe everything is going to be okay. Well, ultimately, way down the road, it will be. I'm not saying this is the end of the world, but this is the end of the system that we know. This is a different social system, economic system, and financial system. And you need real hard assets to move into the new system with, so you can convert it into that new currency and hold your purchasing power intact and protect any wealth that you need to hold in those markets. I'm not saying, it would be really hard for me to say, go buy stocks, go buy bonds, go buy this, go buy that, right? Because if the foundation of those assets, if you can only convert them into dollars or euros or yen, or any government money, then the real trend is down, because the central banks have destroyed all the purchasing power. That's their job, to just regulate the speed of that so you don't know it. Oh, frog in a pot of boiling water. And a lot of people need wealth protection. And so they ask, how do I create an insurance policy for your existing wealth and your assets? Because some people can't or don't want to move them. Some people like to experiment with new stuff. That's fine. Do that. But get a foundation of real money, just in case, right? I like to ask myself, what if I'm right and what if I'm wrong? I want to do what will not matter whether I'm right or wrong. And that's what gold and silver do for me. We need to get as many people understanding what's going on and then getting themselves protected, because that's the only way that you are going to be able to weather this storm, the only way. And that's what I want for you.